do we feel like more? I guess is it fair to say that most people are more conscious in this dimension, or would you say that it's because we tend to not like forget, but then we kind of have the outer or other dimensional experiences where it's just happened too quickly, like being conscious into this dimension. Like, why do we have more of a reality in this one rather than like in the other dimensions?
What do you mean? Why do you have more reality in this one?
No, it's only because because you're here, right?
As in, like, yeah, exactly. Like, when
So I think he just answered his own question.
no, so we're traveling in different dimensions, because energy is not stopping, right? Sorry, I need to keep my hands on the wheel.
Yeah, we're not stopping.
So because we're always constantly moving from one dimension to another dimension, why do people feel like they're in this reality, what we're living in now, as the main dimension? Do you get what I mean? Rather than like waking up and being into another dimension.
Josh, please.
I think it means was basically because imagine, okay, in other dimension now, you don't necessarily remember man, but you remember yourself there. So in that dimension, that seems real. That seems like the most real thing. Then when you come to this dimension, you forget about that dimension, and this seems like the most real. So everywhere that you are,
Because man, you're asking the same question in the other dimension. That's the problem. Like in every dimension he's waking up in, he asks the same question. He asks the same question over and over.
Master's like, I'm sick and tired of answering this question.
Can you imagine tonight when he goes to sleep, he goes into the dimension. Guys, I got this question. Why are we so conscious about this dimension
and not the other ones?
And if any of us is to meet him in different dimension, we must remind him that he said it in this dimension. Can you not remember? You said it in the other dimension yesterday.
I thought you meant something different. I thought you said why people are more like, you know, how people are, their eye are more open in this dimension than others.
White people.
What is it?
I heard white people.
No, more conscious people, like their eye is open and they're more conscious and aware of different realities. I thought that was what you were asking, but that didn't have anything close to what you were
Let me just continue driving down into a cosmos. We live in a world with balance, right? There's positive and negative, right? When we see universe, is universe the entity as positive, or is it the entity of negativity? Or how do we I know Angela's shaking her head. It's like
Angela, please answer. Please answer.
It's nothing good or bad, it just is, right?
Thank you.
So then when we're talking about multiverses, like different universes,
There's no different universes. There is one universe with a lot of galaxies.
so there's no such thing as multiverses.
Multi-universes.
Yeah.
Master? I don't know. I don't think so.
It's never ending. It's never ending. So you can call it multiverse. This is all terminology. So everything is one, is what Angela's saying. So Angela is not completely wrong. And there are multiples of loads of existences, which can be referred to as multiverse. So man is not completely right. Sorry, not completely wrong also.
It's okay, don't worry.
One is not completely right and one is not completely wrong, you see?
So that balances out.
That balances.
The yin and the yang.
Okay, guys, maybe, man, if you can maybe stop by some
McDonald's.
service station, galactic station, and then maybe we ease off this very heavy topic and play some FIFA. How about that?
Okay, let's go to Mercury.
Mercury.